How to fix FastMail for Mac not uninstalling. FastMail is a web-based email service that is accessed through a web browser and does not require installation on your Mac. As such, there is no script file needed to uninstall it. To stop using FastMail, all you need to do is stop using your FastMail account by closing your web browser or logging out of your account. If you want to delete your FastMail account entirely, you can follow the instructions on their website. If you have installed any FastMail related apps or plugins on your Mac, you can remove them by following the standard procedure for uninstalling apps on your Mac. This typically involves dragging the app from the applications folder to the trash and emptying the trash. However, the specific steps may vary depending on the app you are uninstalling. Then, how to uninstall an app from Mac. To uninstall an app from your Mac, you can follow these steps. 1. Close the app. Make sure the app you want to uninstall is not currently running. 2. Quit any background processes. Some apps may have background processes running that need to be stopped before uninstalling the app. Check the app's documentation or support pages for details on how to do this. 3. Locate the app. Open the Applications folder on your Mac and locate the app you want to uninstall. 4. Delete the app. Drag the app to the trash or right-click on the app and select Move to Trash. 5. Empty the trash. Once the app has been moved to the trash, right-click on the trash icon in the dock and select Empty Trash. Alternatively, you can click and hold the trash icon in the dock, then select Empty Trash from the menu that appears. 6. Remove any related files. Some apps may leave behind files or folders that are not removed when you uninstall the app. To remove these files, you can search for them using Spotlight, the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner of the menu bar, and then delete them manually. You can also use a third-party app like App Cleaner to help you find and remove all associated files. Note, some apps may have their own uninstaller scripts or instructions provided by the developer, which you should follow instead of the above steps.